In this week's Blender tutorial, we're going to create a portal texture that is procedurally generated and extremely render-friendly. Let's start with a circular plane as the canvas for our texture. Switching the view mode to material preview, we can see that we also have a thin frame that emits a soft blue light around the main circular plane. To make the material more efficient, let's delete the default shader. Then, using the Add menu and the search field, let's bring in Blender's emission shader and adjust it to emit a saturated blue light. To make the first branch of nodes, let's use the Add menu again, this time to bring in a texture coordinate node, a noise texture node, a color ramp node, and finally a math node. This sequence of nodes will give us some basic randomness on the portal. Make sure to use the object output of the texture coordinate node and set the math node to calculate the power of the input value. Next, to make the warping on the portal more stylized, let's use the Add menu and bring in another noise texture node and a mix RGB node. These two nodes enable us to distort the UV coordinates and therefore warp the colors of the portal to give it a more sci-fi look. We can adjust the degree of warping using the factor on the mix RGB node. Make sure to set the noise texture node to 4D as we'll be using the W input very soon. Now, to animate the portal, let's add a value node, a vector math node, a simple math node, and finally, a mapping node. Let's create a simple driver in the value node by adding a # followed by the word frame. This will output the current frame number, which is then passed on to the math nodes. The vector math node drives the translation of the portal texture using the location input of the mapping node. On the other hand, the simple math node gradually transforms the randomness of the portal using the W input of the noise texture node. Let's play the animation by pressing spacebar on our keyboard. With these nodes, we can tweak the speed of the animation. In the next step, let's intensify the glow around the edge of the portal. We can do this by adding an image texture node and 3 math nodes. This branch of nodes enables us to use an alpha transparent image to highlight the edge of the portal. You can create an alpha transparent image using any image editing software, for example, Krita. Here, I simply add a thick circle and then apply a blur mask onto it. Just make sure to save the image in a format that contains alpha transparency, for example, the PNG format. Now, moving back to Blender, we can select the alpha transparent image from the image texture node. The color output, or alpha output of the image texture, is then intensified by the math nodes, which first subtract it from 1 and then power the result to a negative number. That result is finally multiplied by the random noise from the previous nodes to create an intensely glowing edge around the portal. The advantage of using the image texture node is that you can also use an image that contains text to send an important message to anyone that is sitting on the other side of the portal and ask them to subscribe and watch these other videos. Until next week, take care and good night.